Surrounded by the Indian Ocean, shaded by ancient mountains and blessed with monsoon rains, this is the country of waterfalls. Sri Lanka's heartland holds some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in Southeast Asia. Today we are heading deep into the central province to explore 6 majestic waterfalls hidden between tea estate, misty hills and forested. In the heartland of Sri Lanka, every waterfall has a rhythm, a story, a soul. Some are loud, wild, untamed, others are soft, sacred and healing. So take the trail, feel the mist and tell the waterfalls of the central province guide your next adventure. This is not the usual travel guide. I'm not going to tell you where to stay or how much ticket cost. I just want to show you how beautiful my country is. But if you are looking for more details, drop a comment, stay tuned. We'll bring full blogs and guides from around the world. Our journey begins with Bomburu Ella, also known as Paada Waterfalls, a hidden gem near Ragala in the lush hill of Nuwara Eliya. To get here, you will take a scenic drive followed by a short but adventurous hike through the jungle and narrow footpath. On the way, you will meet locals selling snacks, veggies, sweet corns, coconut roti with curries as well as kind of Sri Lankan pickles. If you visit, don't miss the coconut roti. It's spicy, authentic and pairs perfectly with the fresh cup of Sri Lankan black tea.
We are heading to Bomburu Ella Falls, Sri Lanka, so one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Nuwara Eliya district. So I will show you the road.
Before even reaching the falls, you will see tiny stream following through the slope, refreshing and soul-soothing. Even the hike itself feels incredibly calm and refreshing, like a gentle reset button for our busy, fast-paced lives. Surrounded by nature, every step allowed us to disconnect from daily stress and reconnect with our inner peace.
There are some few difficult places to climb, so guys, you can hear the sounds of water, and also there are some few shops when we are going to Bomburu Ella Falls, so you can get some refreshments and stay hydrated here. See, I will show you. Strawberries and some sweets, water, and you can get some drink. So guys, you can see here is our destination. It's called Bomburu Ella. So it's really nice place.
There's a famous photo spot just across the stream, but don't attempt the cross during the rainy season. If the water rises, you might not be able to come back. The waterfall itself is around 50 meters high, following powerful cascade through forested hills and rocky ledges. It's not a single drop falls, it's cashed down in layers, wild and musical. What makes Bomburu Ella special isn't just about scenic beauty. It's a peaceful and untouched atmosphere that sets it apart from the more crowded waterfalls in Sri Lanka. On our way back, we treated ourselves to a spicy meal. Coconut roti with chili sambal, baby jackfruit curry and something called alakole. It tastes amazing. This with hot plant tea, it's a perfect Sri Lankan mountain meal. Before leaving, we made a quick stop to grab some fresh veggies and fruits because the central province is famous for that. And of course, we passed by the Edinburgh Tea Estate, one of the most beautiful tea estates I have ever seen, even when compared to the other part of Asia. Next up, St. Clair Falls, one of the widest waterfalls in Sri Lanka, also known as the Little Niagara. You will find it near Talawakale, and honestly, even from the main road, it disturbs you in your tracks. But sadly, we couldn't witness it in full glory. The water flow was slow, very low. This is due to the Upcot hydropower project, which diverts much of the water upstream. Especially during the dry season, the majestic Nuwara of St. Clair can shrink into a mere trickle. Still, even at low flow, the landscape, the rolling tea hills, the local breeze, it's absolutely worth the stop. On our day 2, we headed to the Gartmore Falls located in Maskeliya near Norton Bridge. This one is peaceful, quiet, almost shy. Split into upper and lower tiers, it gently pours down the hills, blending into the silence of the tea-covered landscapes. On the road to get there, it's like driving through a fairy tale. Tea mountains, misty air, and sunlight sneak in through the branches. We felt truly refreshing even before we reached the falls. What makes Gartmore truly special is this. Two waterfalls, Gartmore and Moray Falls, cascade into the same reservoir. Nowhere else will you see this. They both fall into the calm water of the Castle Ridge Reservoir surrounded by mountain and mist, creating a mirror-like reflection that's simply magical. The falls are part of Gartmore Estate, a beauty plantation of rolling tea fields. Next up, Laxapana Falls, one of the most powerful and legendary waterfalls in Sri Lanka. This waterfall cashes down from over 120 meters, making it one of the tallest on the island. The power, the scale, the sound, it's raw and unforgettable. Whether you are into photography or just for adventure, Laxapana delivers. finally, Aberdeen Falls near Gartmore. This is a hidden gem and definitely one of my personal favorite. Getting there is a bit of challenge, around 600 step and step trail through the jungle. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes each way, but when you arrive it feels like stepping into another world. The waterfall stands at 98 meters, falling down into the single dramatic drop into the deep dark pool. Misty, loud, beautiful, it's a place where you feel small in the best way possible. An eagle attacked a hornet's nest nearby and the hornets were agitated. We had to stay calm, quiet and leave early to safety. Still, we stopped at a small village stall nearby and grabbed some cool drinks and snack before the hike back. Aberdeen may be the most untouched of them all, wild forest, slippery rock, but pure magic. These falls are not just water, they are soul, song and spirit of the central province. So, which waterfall was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget, chase waterfalls, but chase them responsibly. See you in the next adventure. Until then, see you guys.